You asked how to buy shares of Humana Inc., so here is a concise walkthrough for that search. Humana is a major healthcare and insurance provider listed on NASDAQ under the ticker UM, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker HUM to find Humana Inc. Confirm you select the NASDAQ-listed Humana entry so you open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is Humana. Make sure the listing shows NASDAQ and the ticker HUM before proceeding. Press Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. Check the video description for the example eToro link if you want to explore the steps shown.